Hello everybody from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. This is Jason Rondon from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. At this moment of the day, today is September 28th. It's a Saturday. I'm here in Aurora, South Colorado, in a beautiful neighborhood where I'm gonna be doing a screen and recoat process. This house, I came here like 2 months ago, and when I explained the process to the customer, Mr. Joseph Orton, he realized that was going to be the best one for his floor. It's a stained hardwood, solid hardwood floor. So I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. This is around 980 square feet. So let me show you guys. All right, like I said, this is a beautiful day here in Aurora, South Colorado. Can you see? This is my job van. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing. Like I said, it's 908 square feet. It's a solid hardwood floor. It's stained, as you can see. Also, something that I didn't mention is that also I'm gonna be doing a screen and recoat to all these stairs. I'm gonna go up. This is a small area here on the second stair, on the second floor, sorry. As you can see, yep, it's not really in bad shape, but it needs some kind of protection because the customer told me that the last time that they did stain it and also full refinishing was around 7 years ago, and they have a pet here in the house. So look at this. This is the living room area. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom it up. All the micro scratches that is here on the floor. All that kind of micro scratches, scuff mark will be disappear with the screen and recoat process. And you guys are gonna see on the rest of the video the whole complete process. So yeah, this is the small kitchen, the pantry, this is the dining room, all right guys, so this is it. It's gonna be a beautiful day here doing the screen and recoat process, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back here to show you guys the cleaning attack process. You know, as I always say, that this process is gonna show you guys how the floor is gonna look after we apply the finish on the floor. So look at this, how beautiful it's gonna look. Of course, you can see a lot of shine in this floor because it's wet, but it's a reflection how good I did a screen, and of course how look is gonna look after apply the polish, as I said. So something that I want tell you guys that in this house also there is a few spots that I'm gonna be retouching. Look at this right there. There is one, and there is other spot around the area. But yes, guys, so this process is very important because it's gonna show me what kind of imperfection I have in the floor, and I can attack it before I apply the finish. So guys, stay tuned because I'm ready to the next step, which is apply the finish. All right, guys, the floor is clean, ready to do color corrections in some spot as a final touch up. And also I'm gonna prepare here the Aqua Pro two components. Is the finish that I use. In this case, the customer decide to go with a matte chin, which is good. Is the one that I recommend for all the customer that has pet in the house, because it's gonna be better. It's gonna hide a little bit more the scratches and the scuff mark on the floor. All right, guys, we started the second coat, the first coat down here in the main floor. Oh my God, this floor is gonna look amazing, guys, amazing. All right, guys. All right, guys, we are here back to the house. So I'm gonna show you the result after the first coat. And look at this. Look at this. Looks amazing. No scratches, no scuff mark. Look at the stairs. Every single one is restored. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the kitchen. Maybe the light is not helping me to look better, to the video looks so much better, but you can see, guys, in the video that you cannot see any micro scratches or scuff mark, and the chin that the customer chose was matte, so which is not too much chin because they have dog in the house. So it's the one that I recommend, as I said before. So, but look at this, guy. Looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This process of screen and recoat is the most common that the customer requests. So if you guys want that kind of restoration, don't hesitate to contact me. So stay tuned, guys, until the next time.